This is Ashish Rai and today I am at Syngene Experience Center. Today I'll take you on a journey where you will feel that in India you can also get an experience like Western countries. You have all seen Hollywood movies and have experienced these kind of products, and you have been thinking when you will have it here with you. So I have a good news for you that we have already making it, putting it there into place, and we are here with the products that you need in home automation. As you can see, this is a TV, okay? What do, you generally go and switch on, right? What if I tell you that while sleeping in your bed, you can just go ahead and tell, Alexa, turn off the TV.
You have to do 3 minutes while the state available.
Okay. See? How about this? Alexa, turn off the TV.
Then you will get
Okay. Can you see? Yes, this all is going to happen. Not only that you can control your TV, you can also control your lights, your fan, your AC, your curtains, means everything which you can run on electricity. Alexa, turn the AC temperature to 21.
AC is set to 21.
Awesome. Alexa, turn the AC temperature to 24.
AC is set to 24.
Awesome. Alexa, open the curtain. Alexa, close the curtain. Come, I'll show you something. Light inside is closed. Okay? Light inside is closed. See. Close, no? Close? See. Did you see? See. You can, yes, you can control the intensity. So this is the dancing light. Correct? Okay. So you can control it via phone. See. Awesome. Let me know if you guys like it. You can control it by home automation products by Syngene. Also, if you have an induction which is preparing food for you in the kitchen, think about that. You forgot to turn off the induction while you were leaving. Hey, it's okay. You just open up your app, go to this control, and just turn off your induction, and your home will be perfectly fine and safe. Let me introduce you to the person who is here with the products that of your dreams. Please meet Swamiji, the CEO of Syngene Technologies. Please.
Yeah.
Why don't you just introduce us to with your products?
So before that, we were a system integrator for the multiple brands like Schneider, Crabtree, and some other wide products which is available in the market. So earlier, if you consider home automation, Arriva home automation, 15 lakh or 20 lakhs like that, we changed the word. Now simply we made the home automation at 10,000 to 15,000 rupees. And then this is a very simple technology, easily anybody can install, and then this is very user friendly and eco friendly as well. So all these retrofit models, this will goes behind of your existing switches.
Oh, this is like a remote. You can use
Exactly.
it like remote.
Exactly.
Okay. You're telling that this goes inside
Yeah.
electricity box inside
Exactly.
this.
Exactly. This is a retrofit devices.
Alright, so what he is saying is you don't have to change your switchboards, you don't have to change your wirings. With the home that you have, buy this, get an electrician, open your board, put this inside, connect your wires to it, connect this wire to your switch, and voila, you just need to have a router. Okay? Connect with your phone and start using it, or connect it with Alexa.
So similarly, we have a one channel relay board, two channel relay board, and then three channel relay board. So yes. So this is a two channel relay board. If you want to automate only two switches, so that is possible with this device. If you want to automate just one switches, like just one device, so this device will go behind of that. So similarly, we have a lighting dimmer. If you have a panel lightings or RGB strip lighting, so that can be controlled through our wireless devices.
this here?
Up to yeah. If you go with the RGB lightings, you can control and mixing the color up to 16 million settings, and then also you can increase or decrease the intensity of any lights.
Awesome it is. So now that you know that you can control your device while staying in your bed, comfy, having AC on and having your blanket and lying there, if you don't want to get up from your bed, it's okay. It's alright. You just pick up your phone. I know the phone is in your hand already. Just pick up that phone, open this Syngene app, and start controlling your electronic device. Swamiji, why don't you just... okay, please come next.
We have a touch scene controller. I mean a smart touch scene controller. So where these all we have a 4 programmable buttons. So when you are going outside from the house, if everything is on, simply tap on the button, everything will go off automatically.
Okay.
So like this. So when you say
Awesome.
party mode, so in the party mode, what all the thing should be get on, what all the color and the mood settings should be happen. So that will happen with the programmable button. So that you can do it by yourself.
Awesome. Wow. Let's come in. Guys, I have one thing more for you. You want us to check out? See. We are coming with a smart door lock. You forget keys, you lose your keys, you are like drop your keys here and there. It's okay. It's same as protecting your phone, your pattern, your screen lock. Lock your gates with these and you never have to worry about losing your keys. Products are coming soon. Okay? So please, why don't you join us inside? Go. So here, all whatever you see inside is all actually automated. From curtains to AC to the ceilings, everything is controlled by the automation device. Okay, let me help you see. Do you want to see curtains going up and down by themselves? See.
Alexa, close the blinds.
Awesome.
Alexa, set temperature 17 degree.
AC control cable is set to 7
Awesome. Why, there is another thing that you can do. Okay, what if I tell you that in the morning you wake up at 7 o'clock? I know that's a bit late, but it's okay. Some people wake up at 5 o'clock, some people wake up at 7 o'clock, some people like me wakes up at 11 and 12 o'clock also. Because we work late night. No, I can understand. I can feel you. I know you watching movies and all. I can understand. But even if you wake up late, you want to make sure that your curtains are down. Okay, so what you can do is you can program them. If you want the curtains to be up by 7 a.m., you can do that. Just schedule it and they will be open by 7 a.m. So Swamiji, so these all ideas, these all products that you have given to our country, how do you feel?
So really we proud to launch our product for the Indian market. So there are many products in the market, and then when it comes to the technological wise, still there are lots of bugs with the products, and then there are an n number of technologies are there in the field as well. So when it comes to home automation, there are three major things. One is wireless technology, one is hub-based wireless technology, the other one is KNX wired protocol. So if you want to go with the wireless wired technology, you have to dig the wall and then laying the cable, and then everywhere you have to
That
remove
is
the
like,
cable, and then you have to put Cat 6 cable. So that is a hell kind of things to do that. So
And
we
you
have
can-
eliminated those things, and then simply we have designed our product where easily fit into our Indian existing modular boxes, and then it's very easy to configure the devices.
Okay guys, why don't you just think about this? What the Swamiji is trying to tell you is, with the older way of automating home was you to dig up your wall to make a way for the wired connection to all your electronic devices. Means it's like a pain that you don't want to have. Okay? This is the remote to your curtain. Anyway, you will be controlling with Alexa. But if you want to control it manually, we will give you the remote. Alright. I know what you're looking for. I've been talking about curtain a lot. So you saw a curtain rolling up. Right? So this curtain, see? Going up. Or you can just bring it down. But there can be a possibility you have a curtain like this. You want it to open left and right. Swamiji, why don't you just show our viewers?
Alexa, open the curtain.
Awesome!
Alexa,
Awesome!
close the curtain. Alexa, close the curtain.
Not only this, I'll tell you one more thing. Alexa, turn off AC. Okay. Now that you're too cold, you can close your AC while staying in your bed. Okay, now it's too hot. Let's put it on. Alexa, turn on AC. You know how this magic is happening? Yeah, Alexa is controlling because I have put Alexa in charge. But exact product is right there. Means you don't have to buy anything else. It's just a small switch. Can you show the switch? I'll give you this 5-port. What you call? It's like an adapter.
So this is a smart IR blaster. So this talks to your all IR remote based appliances like AC, TV, DTH, everything. So using this model, using this single model, you can control up to 10 appliances. Where what all of the features that you are going to get it on the remote, the same thing it will be reflect on the SyncGen application as well. Through the Alexa application, you can control it and then schedule it. And then if you want to simply change the channel, like Alexa set DTH channel to stop movies to something else, that you can also do that.
Guys, see what I have. So, sir, I have taken a lot of your products in hand. Don't mind now.
So this is a smart plug.
See, AC
yeah.
plug.
So this
So
is
basically,
smart
you can put this plug in your geyser, in your AC. Means, I know 8 ton, 2 ton, 1000 watt, 8000 watt. I understand, but you can put it there. See, simply in your existing plug. Voila. So you are already connecting it, right? So in the existing port, you just put it there like that. Can you see that? Can you see? It's same. See, same product. Can you see? Yes. that is the product which is controlling AC, and this is linked with, this is the Syngen product. Okay, sir. Why don't you tell me?
So yes, this is a smart plug. We have two variants in this. One is a 16 ampere and then the other one is a 25 ampere. If you want to go with the higher appliances like more than 100 liter of geyser, or for the higher capacity of the refrigerator, so in that case you can go with the 25 ampere.
Okay.
Similarly, we have a HD16, HD25 retrofitting devices as well. So this will goes behind of the wall if you don't want to visible of the device.
Okay.
So this is simply plug and play devices where you can put on the socket and then plug it in your plug your.
Don't worry, we
appliances.
will come and install it for you. You don't have to do yourself. And trust me, this is included with your price.
And there is a lot of feature in this. There is a auto timer, and then also you can schedule your appliances, and then wherever you are, you can control your appliances, and you can also monitor the power consumption, what's happening in the appliances.
What is this?
So this is a lighting dimmer.
Oh, awesome. So what is this?
So this is one channel relay board.
Uh-huh.
So,
One more thing I have for you. Do you see this? This is a modular design, means your existing anchor modular panel. You can just put it there and it will fix. What you can do is, you can control your fan, turn the speed up and down, and do you see these dots? Yes, you can use them to control. Yes, am I saying right?
yes.
See, whatever I'm talking to is not that I got trained about it. I saw it and I used it, and trust me, within a minute you will understand how it works. Because you're already using your smartphones, you're already controlling many things with you. There's Facebook, Instagram, and Koo app. We are doing already a lot of things. So I understand this. So what is this?
So this is a smart MCB,
Okay.
where you can replace your existing retrofit MCB to the smart MCB using this device. So you can monitor your entire house power consumption, what's happening in the house using this device, and then if something tripped or if anything happened due to the surge, that you can see in analytical reports in a mobile application.
Oh, in the mobile app, you will get to know how much consumption your house is doing.
Yes.
With this, not only just consumption, if something happened in your house, it will trip itself.
And-
so this is tower.
Yeah, this is an antenna.
Okay, this is antenna actually. So yes, you need to have a router inside, no matter you have internet connection or what. If you don't have internet connection, the router will make sure that these devices are connected to your smartphone locally. But if you have a router, you can control your devices from outside home also. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So if I'm not wrong, if short circuit happens inside, it will automatically trip.
Automatically it will get tripped, and then also it will give the notification why it has tripped.
Okay, that's
Using
very
the previous statistics.
even if we don't trip, can we trip it from outside?
Yeah, of course. We have an interface in the mobile application. You can talk to this remote using the Alexa device. Alexa trip the MCB like that, and then also you can control this device using mobile application wherever you are.
Awesome, awesome. So, sir, what all device have we? So, what all can you automate, sir? What all?
So in home automation, as Syngen which we have designed, this is a completely customized solution. Anything can be customized. Anything can be controlled.
So, anything which is electronics,
Yes.
runs on electricity,
Exactly.
uses board,
Yes.
can be
Yes.
automated.
It can be automated.
Okay. Okay. So guys, I have shown you these kind of products. Why don't you just walk with me? So sir, what I'll do is I'll start using all the products one by one. Come on, follow. Should we start from here? Okay, let's focus on AC. Alexa, turn the AC temperature to 21.
AC is set to 21.
Awesome. Alexa, turn the AC temperature to 24.
AC is set to 24.
Awesome. Alexa, open the curtain. Alexa, close the curtain. I know you guys are having confusion, then anyone can control your these things, means any guest can control. No, it's not like that. If you want only one voice to control all these devices, you can do that as well. If you want two devices to go, you can set it as means whatever you want, you can do it with these kind of devices because you own it. And I'm telling you, when I say you will get your home automated, that means your life will become easy. You are cooking food, your kid is telling you to switch on the TV, your hands are dirty, it's okay. Alexa, turn on the TV. See, I'm here. See, I'm standing for. Alexa,
It's on.
oh, it's on.
So now I think it's working.
Awesome. See, do you see it is on? Okay, Alexa, turn off the TV.
Okay.
Now you ask your kids go study because you want it to be turned off. So guys, that's all. You can see the range of products here. See, this is the slider, curtain slider. You need a router. We'll help you with that. These are the products. Most of it I took it there. My fault. Yes.
This is a microwave motion sensor.
Oh, we have motion sensors as well. Oh, okay.
So this can be used for the
Auto light.
yeah for the bathrooms or washroom.
Yeah, come. I'll show you something. Light inside is closed. Okay, light inside is closed. See, close no? Close. See. Did you see? See.
Automatically it will get off after 15 seconds.
Yep. Awesome. So guys, if you are willing to get your home automated, make your life little more easy, because I know you are working from home, you are working for a company, you are busy preparing food, you are busy going out, you have to take care of your kids, your life, your work, and this and that. Let home take care of itself. Why don't you just get your home automated? Call us. You will see my number right there. Call me or call the marketing team, and I'm telling you, you will have the best experience from Syngene Automation, and trust me on this part too, you will have on-site warranty. On-site warranty. Okay? We got you covered from each and every side that you will think you need help from. That is for now. This is Ashish Rai, and good luck to you.
Here we have automated the Smart City Seminar Hall. So this is the Smart City Seminar Hall. A pretty big and most decorative hall in this campus in Narsan University. So here you can have a complete look. This complete hall is automated by us. All the lights, TV and the ACs around here. Now we are turning off all the lights so that you can see one by one. We will turn it on again using MQTT, our IoT. So all the lights are turned off now. Now here is our control device. So now we are turning on the entrance lights. So we have turned on the entrance lights, and entrance lights are turned on. Now we will be turning on the front back ceiling lights. Now the back lights are turned on. Now we will turn on the central lights. Now the central lights are on. Now we will be turning on the boom lights. The boom lights are on. Now we will turn on the TV. We are turning on the TV power. Now TV has got the power and all the screens are turning on. Now we will control the TV using IR remote. Now here we can change the volume, we can do all the functionalities. We can here we have all the control of the Samsung TV. Now we will turn on the AC. We will control the AC using our IR remote. So here is the AC. Now the temperature is going down. It is being done by our remote. And the IR remote is here. You can also see the IR flashes, I guess. Yeah, you can also see the IR flashes. So now again we will completely turn off the room. Everything goes off. Simple.
Open door,
Door open.
radio on,
Playing radio.
lights,
Lights on.
protein shake,
Making protein shake.
New York,
Loading New York. Set speed.
4,
4.
6,
6.
Sync 10. Automate your life.